Hey everybody, this video is going to be focused on a very crucial part of social media management. It's really the first part, which is organizing your ideas for your social media posts. Really the first step is to start understanding your client's audience or your audience. What are their interests? What are their habits? What are their preferences? Take some time, research the demographics. You might be asking, well, why is it important? Well, when you know the audience, you can really create content that speaks more directly to them, right? It'll eventually generate more engagement, more shares, and ultimately more brand loyalty. One thing to remember though is that audiences are not static. They evolve over time. So make sure you make it a habit to check the analytics and to stay updated over time. Next up is idea generation. And this is really where the magic happens. Get your creative juices flowing. And this is really where you start considering the types of content. Is it a video? Is this an image, a carousel, right? Start looking for inspiration. Maybe look at industry leaders, some competitors, content from other industries, or maybe just accounts that create content that you really like. This is where Vista Social comes in. Whenever inspiration strikes, whether you're scrolling through your own feed, you're reading a blog, you can jot it down using Vista Social's ideas feature. You can add links, you can add notes, images, videos. You can even use our ChatGPT powered AI assistant to help you to come up with ideas, captions, and even images for your post. Over time, you'll end up with a really rich repository of ideas to tap into to create your social media content. The next stage is really to collaborate with your team, maybe even your clients on these ideas until they're ready to go to the social calendar, which by the way, also really easy with Vista Social, okay? Review your performance, what's working, what's not. Don't be afraid to pivot your strategy. Remember, you should always be learning, analyze your audience, research the market, and come up with new ideas. So there you have it. These are the steps to set you on the good path for effective content organization. Remember, Vista Social's ideas features is really here to help support you in this process. We'll see you in the next one.